right, other great news. So probably some of you are here about the 48 hour film project that took place. Start of June. 40 people, 40 teams rather, enter the 48-hour film project. My project was the Jamaican Poet, and that was shot, directed, and edited by myself along with my wife who supported me. The whole team, great family. And I had persons playing, in that film. We had Solomon, who's inspired by my poetry. We had um, Bliss. We had Bliss. Bliss is a young poet artist. She's very creative, and she was there. We had Peter Shiloh as wise warrior who, gave me great encouragement on a lot of things. And I'm so happy that everyone came and delivered. The Jamaican Poet movie. It's now officially. It's on YouTube. You get what I'm saying? We had Noah. I'm gonna get to the trailer where you can see more of what took place before I tell you more about the award ceremony. But yes, indeed, it was an amazing time knowing that we created something within 48 hours. I also have to say, maximum respect, as I said, to Noah and his mom, Tracy. You get me? But I'm gonna go back to the trailer so you can see what went on.
I'm with my mom, so I really can't talk right now.
I'm totally done with this poetry thing.
Are you Amaziyah the Great?
What?
Hey Dad, how are you doing? It's been a while, I haven't heard from you.
I watch you on social media and I follow all of your live performances. And I can't wait to buy your book, Don't Cry.
Talking to the wrong guy. I don't know who's Amaziyah.
Answer your phone!
I am here fighting tough days. Mom inside hurts, but don't cry.
Honey, did you send the money?
I find out that she's a real fraud.
Wait, Amaziyah, what happened to the relationship between you and Sarah?
Whoa, that's another story. Yes, my people. So, after that, after that, they had the screening, and the screening took place at Avon Cinema. And then after the screening at Avon Cinema, there was the award ceremony where 20 teams were awarded. And it happened at the Met in Pawtucket. So yes, the big respect to Mel's Rainsberger and the entire team, all the participants of this great and amazing event. There we have Mel at the door with some peeps. And yeah, it was really good. People turned out. Like I said, I received the Rhode Island Icon Award, and for me, it's really amazing knowing that we chatted about um, all of that at Lit Arts RI. There's wifey Tracy and her son. Let me roll up to the team. There is a few people from the team. Most of everyone there is from the team who made that film, apart from Peter Shiloh's friend to the left end, or maybe your right end. Yeah, so it was an amazing thing. These are my two friends on the end. Uh, my friend's daughter. They came all the way from the UK. I knew them from they were small in Jamaica, and here, me and the city producer Mel Rainsberger. Yes, so like I did say, people, I received the Rhode Island Icon Award, and it's an amazing feeling. I emphasize strongly that you go out and check out the Jamaican poet. Team Great did really phenomenally well. Yes, they received the Rhode Island Icon Award. Yeah, at the Met in Providence, Rhode Island. I think I'm gonna continue off with some more poetry for you. But before I do that, if you do want to know more about the Jamaican poet, of course, I am happy to let you hear a synopsis that wife did. But I strongly encourage you all to just go check out um, the official film. I'm totally done with this poetry thing.
Amaziyah the Great came to America from Jamaica to better his life. On his poetic voyage, he found Sarah. She never loved him, only wanted his money.
Honey, did you send the money?
She was also involved with other men. It was believed that one of Sarah's jealous boyfriends attacked Amaziyah the Great while he went for a walk in the park, beating him almost dead.
Answer your phone!
Wise Warrior, a drummer in the hills, found him and gave him herbal medicine until he was well. Amaziyah thought about forgetting about doing poetry.
I'm totally done with this poetry thing.
Till he was approached one day by a small boy, Malachi,
Are you
who
Amaziyah
told
the
him
Great?
he was his biggest
I watch you
fan.
on social media and I
But the
follow
poet denied his
all of your
identity.
live performances. And I can't wait to buy your book, Don't Cry.
Talking to the wrong guy. I don't know who's Amaziyah.
Amaziyah further went for therapy, where he spoke with Panda. She listened to his poems and then recommended that he connect with planner Trish Gophersh, whose mom operates a popular poetry event in Rhode Island called Pawtucket Poetry. Amaziyah the Great later found back his courage to resume his poetic journey and continue to inspire Malachi and other people worldwide. The Jamaican Poet, written and directed by Craig A. Kirkland, a.k.a. Amaziyah the Great.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell them precisely. I tell them already now, and I tell them again. Great way is a gateway. While the sunshine we make air. All right. So, like I said,
And so it was the night that I went to Amaziyah the Great's movie preview on what was it called?
let me pause that. I'm gonna get back to that. But like I was saying, it's really was an interesting event, and I am appreciating the fact that all these filmmakers were recognized for their short films. Like I said, we all did that within 48 hours. We try put out our best. And congratulations, not just to all the winners, but congrats to all the participants, because we all got the opportunity to mix and mingle with a lot of people. And that's greatness. People see our craft, our creativity. And yeah, that's that. Talking about the Jamaican poet, I will go to a clip that I was playing a while ago from Little State Big Voices, because they saw greatness and they decided they would support it all the way, and not just them be supporting me. I mentioned this before, that they support a lot of people. They support almost everyone I know in the creative space. They support restaurants, they support business owners, they support events, and it's great that people, two amazing empress, they take it their point of duty to make mentions of most of the happenings that's going on. They attend some of these happenings and they highlight them, they showcase them. And do check out Little State Big Voices podcast every Monday. Check out their social media pages, follow, like, share. Also, I say support the TDP show. Continues every Sunday at, well, I'm lying, I try to do this show every Sunday, but there are times I'm super tied up with a lot of things because I keep going and going like that energizer body will go hard for a while. And as me telling you before, I will never do nothing funny. Great ways to get where all the sunshine will make here the journey continue. We never stop.
They say it's a free world, free speech. Fear not. If you've got your story to share, there's a global audience anticipating to hear. Be bold, be truthful, tell them precisely. Join us on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah, for the TDP show. Sundays at 5 p.m. And this is not about just interviewing artists only, but we want to interview everybody. Players of instruments, comedians, poets, actors, actresses, dancers, people with talents who now get fair share. And remember, it's all about honesty, the truth about your opinion. We want the world to know. Amaziyah the Great, tell them precisely. Wagwan, I am in New Jersey. And right over there, so if you look, it's the Elizabeth River Trail. Now, for those who never know, Elizabeth was the first English-speaking community in New Jersey. If you never know, now you know. It's Amaziyah the Great, and you are watching the TDP show. Continue. Watch. Please like, comment, share. Tell them precisely. Big respect to all fans all over the globe.